How to customize your WordPress dashboard quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can customize your WordPress dashboard. So let's get into it. Now, having a basic WordPress dashboard is fine and all, but when you're using WordPress as your primary website builder and you're spending hours and hours of your time on a dashboard, you want to be able to customize it to fit your needs, to be able to use WordPress in a more effective and a more aesthetic manner as well. Because you're going to be spending so much time on your WordPress dashboard that you want to be able to, make it your own, make it match your website, and provide a overall branded feel to your website. So you can easily customize your WordPress dashboard, and you don't just have to, add new and go into your plugins and search for dashboard plugins. That's what a lot of people do, and they are disappointed by the results. So to get started with your customization, we're going to be using a plugin. Now, this plugin is not something that you install by going into the plugin section. This is actually called UiPress. So UiPress is an amazing plugin that enables you to customize your WordPress dashboard. Now to get started with it, you're just going to head on over to uipress.co, and you can see this is how your WordPress dashboard can really look like. It's super gorgeous and it allows you quite amazing plugin customizations as well as different options that you can add to your WordPress website. Now, all you have to do to get started is to click on Get UiPress, and you will be able to get their amazing Google Analytics, user management system, activity logs, admin overviews, creator menus, and so much more. So to get started, click on UiPress. Then what you're going to do is you might be wondering, hey, this is paid. I want a free plugin. I don't have the money to customize my dashboard. Well, don't worry. You can just click on the light version over here, and it includes the basic stuff. So you're going to click on the light version, and once you do that, you're going to click on Get Started. And once you have clicked on Download, so you're just going to click on Get Started. And once you have clicked on Get Started, you're just going to enter your email address. You're going to click on Download Content. And now once you have done that, you will open up your email address. So once you have opened up your email address, you're just going to open this up, and you will be able to see you will get an email with your free download. So you're going to click on Download Content over here. And once you clicked on Download Content, you can simply create an account on this platform, or just click on Download over here. And just a sample invoice is generated where you have $0, that is it. But you can just click on download. You don't even have to, create the account. And once you have done that, you will see that the download is appearing on your bottom left. And then you will open up the zip file. And now you can see this is present in my download. So you have your PHP, and you have your languages, you have your assets, and you have your admin. So once you have done that, you can simply go into your plugins and you can upload your plugin into your WordPress website. So you can simply go into plugins, click on Add New, and then you're going to click on Upload Plugin, and then you're just going to go into your downloads. You're going to click on Install Now, and you can choose to upload the zipped file. It is fine. So you can see that WordPress tells you if you have it in zip format, you can easily activate it. Now, once you have done this, you will click on Activate Plugin. And just like that, our WordPress dashboard has been customized, and you can see it looks so much better. It looks so updated and a much better version of our plugin, of our basic, dashboard. This is the power of WordPress. This is the power of open source software. So if you click on your overview over here, you can see you can go on ahead and import the default template where they add the basic site statistics, or you can click on enter edit mode, and you can enter your own sections, enter your own custom things that you might want to keep on viewing on your website or on your overview. And then you have your dashboard, and in your dashboard you have your home page, and the rest of the information is laid out like WordPress, like it usually would on WordPress, and you can customize that as well. So to begin your customization, you can click on Appearance over here, you can click on Themes, and you can see all the different themes that you would normally have on your WordPress dashboard. And then if you scroll down over here, you have your plugins. And within your plugins, you can see you have your advanced fields, all of the basic plugins, and you will have your UI editor. So you can also click on visit plugin site to view your plugin site, and you can also upgrade for more features, for more premium features as well. Now, if we close this, it would appear like this, and if we open it, it's going to appear like so. You can also choose to hide the search bar, hide icons, show the submenu in your specific dashboard. Then in your account over here, you can click on view site, you have your core, you have your dark mode, you have screen toggle options, as well as specific things that you can choose to hide or display on your platform. So this is so easy and so simple, and it improves the look of your overall dashboard by a whole lot. And then if you scroll down on the left side of your screen, you can see in your settings, you have your UI press settings, and you're just going to go into your UI press settings to customize your dashboard further. So you can see you have your set dark mode as default. You can click on your footer text, you can customize that. You also have other settings as well. Then you have your basic menu settings. So let's say I want to add a image. Like, let's say I want to add this is my menu image, so I can enter that. I can enter a logo for my dark mode. Then in my basic settings as well, I also have my UI press styles. So they give you multiple different styles. So maybe the primary color that I want to use on my website is pink. So on my dashboard is pink, so I'm just going to add that. And the wash that I want to be using with it is like a lighter pink. So I can choose my colors like this, and the hover color is going to be another shade like this. And once you have done that, you can just scroll down. You can see all the text color. I can even customize that on my dashboard. I'm just going to do this and show you guys what it's going to look like, and then below that all of your other specific features. So once you've done that, let's say even the body background, I want to tint this as well. So I want it to be like this shade, and then on the muted background, maybe I want it to be another color like this. And in the font, you can choose to change the font colors and other features as well on the premium versions of their plugin. So once I've done that, you can see now it's been customized. I can do this to all of the things that would be available on my WordPress dashboard. And it's so simple and easy and amazing to be able to do this. So this is available for free, and for added features, you can subscribe to their premium versions. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.